Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working here on the Ultimate 40, and what I'm going to tackle here first is the Delta Vehicle Systems 150 amp Sequoia alternator kit. So we have a nice bracket that it takes place of the factory adjusting bracket. And it captures this third bolt hole, which I like. And it should give it a lot of really good stability. It's got an adapter cable. And this bolt here is for moving the pinch piece there. You put a socket there and pull that in to pull that where you've got clearance. Got a nice boot for the positive cable, and I went ahead and got the heavy duty charging cable as well, and I have already put on the new pulley. So the old pulley just comes off with a 22 millimeter impact. Air impact gives it a good nice fast zip, it comes right off, no problem. And then torque this one back to 81 foot-pounds. So let's get after it. Let's get this thing bolted on. Okay, let's go ahead and get the idler pulley out of the way. I'm just got to take the old tensioner bracket off. Let's go ahead and remove this third bolt. So there's a big possibility that it won't fit. Even with this pushed all the way forward, it won't fit. So there's a big possibility that we're going to have to sand off some of this in order to clear. But we got lucky. This one here fits perfect. So grab the factory bolt here. Now this is a OEM Toyota alternator. You may run into discrepancies using aftermarket versus that, but I'm very happy that we didn't have to clearance that at all. Slide the new bracket on. All right, next step is to torque them to 15 foot-pounds. Now we can stick our idle pulley back on. So the kit comes with this wiring pigtail. This goes into there, and then this will attach to your 80 series alternator harness. We will be using a lot of the 80 series harness in this vehicle, so this will work out real nice and save us from having to do any custom wiring here. Dave offers it with the kit. So the belt kit we're using is from Terrain Tamer. We've had really good luck out of them. They're OEM or not better quality on all their parts. All right, we're going to leave it right here. I'm not going to top down any of the adjusters, set tension on this. There's a big chance for radiator clearance. This little nubbin here, we're going to have to machine off of the water pump and then put bolts instead of studs in there to hold the pulley on. I want to get my radiator in here, get it positioned, see what clearance I have. But this is a good way of getting us just a tad bit more and not be cramped for space. So that's what she looks like. It's like a 09, that era style Sequoia alternator. This will be the 150 amp version of this particular part number. But as always, Delta makes wonderful products. Hit them up. They'll take good care of you. Dave is a wonderful guy. I got a lot of his stuff on my personal rigs and on many of our builds.